So you've got a Jeep JK Rubicon, you got 38-inch Falcon Wild Peak MTs, you got factory sliders, but you're short and you can't get in your Jeep. Introducing the AAC multi-crawl step. Basically what this is a step for your 2 or 4-door Jeep, whether it's a Rubicon or Rubicon Hard Rock as shown. These clamp right onto the bottom of your factory slider. You only need to remove 1 bolt to install these and reinstall. They go on and off about 5 minutes each, if even that, if you get quick. So this is a factory Rubicon Hard Rock slider. As you can see, it's pretty well worn out here. It's been put to use, and we're going to throw this on real quick. So the only tool we're going to need for this installation is a 13mm socket with extension. We're going to remove the 1 factory bolt right here. Then we're going to hang our step. We're going to use this hole, mount it there. What am I doing wrong? There we go. So now we've got them both hung. This factory bolt back in. Alright, we got that started. Get the clamps nice and snug here. Okay, we want to get this slid all the way to the back. Tighten down this factory bolt. And then tighten these two down snug. And now we've got a nice step. Bolts right on and off. So from mall, pull it off and go crawl. $187.99 a pair on AlliedExpedition.com.